Hello family members, apni kan sob phal ase koina biswas ase aro achibi Mr. Joseph Ladola channel de sob manuge welcome kuri ase aro itia tu final update ekta late Miss Leayila Yimkhiung dai nimite ekta update ani bole ase family side pra bishi thanks koi dia laga idura moi firstly moi ekta thanks di bole chanai di bole mon thaga do Siri Rupin Hibo IPS DGB dai itia serve kora do Delhi de serve kore ase idora dai ge age thanks ti bole mon ase aro idu bachoi de moi ekta bra moi sob manuge family side bra kwa laga apni kan ge chanai ti bole mon thaka idu video ane ase de go gena idu family members logo bi chanai di ase do age de moi thanks ti bole mon thaka do Sir Rupin Hibo RBS TGB Ike more thanks Tibo. On behalf of the Brief family, we want to express heartfelt gratitude to Siri Rubin Hibo IBS TGB. Thank you so much for your kind contribution and helping hand through your free support for the flight from Delhi to Timabur. Today, the dead body of our late Miss Leayila Yimkhiung reached in Timabur. So if you have not been there for us, it will have been impossible to bring sister dead body in Nagaland. But through your generous sponsorship, we were able to receive the dead body of late Miss Leayila Yimkhiung. We may not able to repay you for your kindness. Sir Rupin Hibo IBS TGB, we believe that through our prayer, God bless you for your good work. Your compassionate service will surely be rewarded in heaven. Once again, thank you so much, Sir Rupin Hibo IBS TGB. May God bless you. Sir Rupin Hibo IBS TGB itu thaka nai gole flight Delhi to Dimapur itu free prakiti api aina pahunchibo. Hoile bi dai thaka karne hi dai free sponsor gora karne hi dead body let Miss Leayila Yimkhiung dai laga dead body to from Delhi to Dimapur free bra dai sponsor gori yana anidia itu ekta miracle ase do idura moi khan dai nimide bi prarthana gori di bole khidia bi na pawri bi de go yana itu janai dia ase second point dia ai ase moi khan itia family side bra beshi things de go di bi kwa itu ani ase Sir himso, Nagaland Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board Chairman, Daibra, Dimapur to Shamudro, dead body, free ambulance, Dailagabra, Bungchai Dishe. Do Kiman be Pal Kushi, Pal Kubur. Sabina, Yadi Dimapur bra, Shamudro Bungchi bole, ambulance hire, Buribole Boysa, Peshi Pilabole Laga Tagishe. Holebi, by the grace of God. Isor murum huabra na gokai imso thagabra dead body to shamudur dak free bra logena jaiti she gokai imso bra de gogena family members logobi idu janai dia se idu bra let Miss Leayila Yimkhiung family side bra bi sir imso gebi beshi things te goi dibi kwa idu janai dia se third point dia ase third inibi union Delhi family side bra I can apni khan logo thanks ti bole to nabare kindo bosti dia babra Delhi dia ai bole nabare third inibi union Delhi de thaga idu so manuki idu let Miss Leayila family side bra beshi ko bole nabara laga thanks te go itia idu bi chanai dia ase gogole to beshi mon hole bi video to beshi lamba ho jabot idobra short pra hi apni khan logo chanai dia ase Aro fourth day ko bole mon thaka do Yimkhiung akhunung chinai dia thaka manukan Yimkhiung manukan kiman jon ase da kan la best contribution do tichi jana mo kan bishi khushi pa ase Yimkhiung manukan chinai dia thaka manukan edora dai la ka family side prabi apni kan ke ai ke na individually wish kuri bole thanks ti bole do na bare hoile bi dai la ka family side pra Moige goi dibide kwa apni khan ge bole na para laga things te goise aro isur brahi through their prayer isur brahi hotai apni khan ge blessing to ashish to rakhi dibide ko gena dai khan laga parthana ekta rakhi dia Yimkhiung akhunung chinai de thaga manu khan ke edu bi janai dia ase aro fifth point dia ase Yimkhiung akhonung Delhi de thaka Yimkhiung manu khan kiman chun apni khan na huma ge na kiman chun apni khan iman duk pra ekchun ge kotha kuri ge na inika help kuri ge na aro helping hand aro apni khan laga morom dikhai dia do edu let Miss Leayila family side bra beshi kobole na bara laga apni khan ge bi thanks koise aro hotai apni khan la good work to kidia bi na pauri ge na kidia bi na chari ge na aro dai khan laga prayer bra apni khan laga individually bi isor bra hotai blessing assist to rakhi dibi de ko ge na dai khan laga prarthana pungchai dia itu bi apni khan logo janai dia ase aro lastly Eastern Union Delhi de thaga manu khan ma baba khan bra apni khan ge na specially I can inika individually da khan apni khan ge handshake bole bole thanks bole do na bari lebi let Miss Leayila family side bra apni khan ge beshi thanks janai dibite go apni khan ge edo news to apni khan ge bonchai dia ase apni khan na humai ge na inika let Miss Leayila dead body karne iman paper work khan bi guri gena duk guri gena apni khan nakamanu ke murum dikhai dia do kitia bi na bauri bol laga gam apni khan guri dise de gwa itu family side pra beshi thanks janai dibite beshi thanks de gwa apni khan ke bi janai dia ase aro mo khan Eastern Union Delhi de thaga manu khan thaga bra mo khan Nagaland de thaga manu khan bi ekdam mon aram ase mon dangor guri gena mo khan bi apni khan kam pal kam jado mo khan bi huni thagi idura apni khan duk hole bi kinika let Miss Leayila dead body paperwork kani iman do kori dise hotai din inika serve gura baji gori gena murum gura baji gori gena inika show gura do apni khan ke kitia bi na paribo aro isor bra bi apni khan logo beshi khushi blessing to apni khan laga individual hoile bi society de hoile bi blessing assist to hotai rakhi dibo de koi gena edu janai dia ase aro naka manu khan giman jun ase mo khan Eastern Union Delhi de thaka manu khan logo bi hotai prayer de modha kuri thagibi inika dai khan thaka ba beshi phal kam kuri ase naka manu muri she gole naka manu ge gibra bi muri le bi dai khan full responsible lo gyana inika kam kuri de gyana dead body to Nagaland de pungchai dia beshi nika good work kura dai khan logo dekhi ase idubra mo khan dibole nabari lebi but through our prayer let's remember them Daikon logo mo khan prayer bra yat kuri dibo lage aro moi la side pra bi gun bra contribute kuri bole parise sob manu ye apni khan ge iso bra hi blessing ashish wabas rakhi dibi de go gena moi laga prarthana sob manu logo janai di ase the shwaching isa mi serbo kad kana ashebe chongchakna arba lena missing Dimapur airport sing share ba lena program ajan seba ulung shido the share war do Adura asebe yo bero boro nation nasagilim arba nakshede mathako kokse nasagilim trumbona alu besida mungmi de la sangde dekhishe haju nasagilim takyongcho the show anangde sami zerbo she chaga merlung miku uchi the show mergo pogla do chogishe rongachi ko de hadar she ha kidi asla de dehi yo side na she makshede ki ha takyongcho